Hi, I'm Dwighty. We're here in the southwest region of WA and we're here to meet the team from Dardanup and find out why it's such a great place to live and work. Welcome to the southwest. We've made our way out to our Dardanup manufacturing site. We're here with Danny. Thanks for having us on site, Danny. Would you like to tell us a few fun facts about the site?
We supply particle board and products, not only for Western Australia, but around about 80% of our product goes across the Nullarbor to the east coast. If you can imagine a piece of particle board, 18 mil thick and 6 foot wide, we every year could put a road of that from London to Baghdad. That's how much we produce. It's quite staggering. Very staggering. And how many people do you have on the site, Danny? We've got around about 200 people on site and we live in what we call the beautiful southwest of WA.
Living in the southwest is just amazing because you're so close to being down to Busselton, Dunsborough, Margaret River, like all the wineries. Love it.
So I live in Bunbury, it's about 15 minutes away from here. It's such a great area, it's very good community, very family friendly, beautiful beaches.
There's a lot of happy people around here and there's not a lot of negative energy and everyone feeds off that, so it's just a good place to come to work.
We've had an absolutely fantastic day here at Laminex Dardanup. We've heard all about the town and the great southwest. We're going to go and check it out. We've actually come out into the Ferguson Valley to visit one of Danny's favourite destinations, St Aidan's Wineries. What a great place to actually come and enjoy fresh produce from the Ferguson Valley.
Everyone associates wine in Western Australia with Margaret River, but they forget the Ferguson Valley.
And I love the tasting board that we had at the start.
Yeah.
Just beautiful, beautiful cheeses, obviously from the local area. Fantastic.
Yeah, and that's it. A lot of it is from this local area.
Yeah.
And a lot of people from our site are farmers out in this area as well. So it's a real good connection.
So we're still here in the Ferguson Valley, and while we're out driving around, we've discovered something very, very unique to the southwest. We've discovered Gnomesville. It all started, apparently, we've read on the story, it all started off with 1 or 2 gnomes being placed here, and it's literally grown now to hundreds of thousands of gnomes. Have a look at that down there. Well, we've travelled about 40 minutes south from our Dardanup manufacturing site and we found the beautiful coastal town of Busselton. It's home to Australia's longest jetty. It's 1.8 kilometres long. We're going to catch up with Jess and Gordon from our Dardanup manufacturing site. We're really hungry and they've recommended this place here, Shelter. So let's go in and check it out. Gordon, how are you?
Righty, good to see you.
Yeah, great. Thanks very much for coming down to meet me here. What a fantastic place, great recommendation. And the jetty just over in the distance.
Makes a good view, doesn't it?
It's an impressive view.
And you know something about this jetty? In 1978, it was destroyed by the cyclone. And it wasn't for the community, it wouldn't be here. So they all banded together and they got some local fundraising and they were able to restore it to what it is today.
So we're here in town tonight and we're here to check out the Last Slice. This place has been recommended to us by pretty much all the team out at Dardanup. Great pizza. And guess what? Just happens to be State of Origin night. I'm a Queenslander, let's go. I've actually ordered the Supreme. How good does this look? Let's tuck in. First class, absolutely beautiful. Can I just get a regular cappuccino, please? Thanks so much. Awesome.
Isn't that beautiful?
We've travelled out this morning about 40 minutes outside of Bunbury, up into Wellington, and we've come across the Wellington Dam, which is one of Desiree's favourite spots to visit. Desiree, can you tell us a little bit about the dam?
The dam was built around about 1931. They started construction, took about 2 years to build. Just recently, they've come along and painted the dam wall, which is a major feature for us now, and it's brought in a lot of tourists.
We might be meeting up with Jaden down at the bottom, so we should go and check that out. G'day Jaden, how are you?
Good mate, yourself?
Yeah, well, we found you mate. We're at the bottom of the Wellington Dam here, and we found some mountain bike trails. You want to tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, I mean, not long ago they put a lot of funding into putting some trails in here, and it's great to come out here. Family friendly trail network, so there's sort of skill levels to suit everyone, and there's a fair amount of distance to cover, so good for a bit of fitness, good for a bit of fun. Love getting out here after work and just going for a ride.
And there's areas to camp around here as well?
Absolutely, if you follow the river down, there's good spots to swim, nice spots to camp. It's just a really good weekend away.
We've had an absolutely fantastic time exploring the great southwest region here in WA. The team at Dardanup have really been hospitable. They've shown us what a great place it is to live and work. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you next time.